There is no actual RAM shortage, these companies are just fooling you. According to a new lawsuit, what everyone thought was a genuine RAM shortage causing PC, phone, and laptop prices to skyrocket might actually be a massive orchestrated scam. Let me explain what is really happening behind the scenes. Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron currently control over 95% of the global memory market. Every RAM stick in your phone, laptop, gaming PC, or server likely comes from them. Recently, a lawsuit filed in California alleges that these three companies are colluding to intentionally keep DRAM supply low, creating a completely fake shortage in the market. Right now, RAM prices are up by a staggering 700%, and a massive reason for this is AI. AI servers don't use normal RAM, they require HBM or high bandwidth memory, which sells for 5 to 6 times the price of normal DDR5 desktop RAM. The lawsuit claims that these companies collectively cut consumer RAM production, exited DDR3 and DDR4, and shifted all their manufacturing to HBM. Here is the most interesting part of the lawsuit. Even if we assume shifting to HBM was more profitable, a 700% price increase in consumer RAM presents an insane opportunity for any competitor to step in and capture the market. Yet, not a single one of these three companies took advantage of it. Instead, they all reduced their production simultaneously. Micron even shut down its highly successful consumer DRAM brand Crucial right at its peak. If you think these giant companies wouldn't do something like this, let's look back at the late 90s during the dot-com bubble. Back then, these exact same three companies, Samsung, Hynix, and Micron, decided to secretly fix RAM prices instead of competing. During the investigation, Micron's lawyer confessed everything to get immunity, completely exposing Samsung and Hynix. This resulted in a $731 million criminal fine and several executives facing 7 to 8 months in jail. Furthermore, the current lawsuit alleges that these companies have actually rehired the exact same individuals involved in that 2002 scam. While it might be harder to defeat them this time because they have the ultimate HBM excuse, the downstream effect is directly hitting your wallet. Companies like Apple have suddenly increased MacBook and iPad prices by 20%, explicitly citing rising RAM costs. Because of this, your phones, laptops, and gaming PCs are all getting incredibly expensive, and prices will continue to rise. I regularly make videos navigating the hidden reality of the tech and AI world, so make sure to hit that follow button.